Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BMXC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And just quickly want to not really update, that's not the right word, more so just kind of confirm a couple things here on the chart. First thing though is the chart is still perfectly fine. Now there is a little bit of perspective that goes into that, meaning if you're a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 2 seconds, then yeah, for you the chart's looking pretty rough. If you care about the big picture of things though, the overall perspective, then sure, the price did pull back here a little bit, but that's just 1 day, right? I mean, when you take a step back and look at multiple days, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build higher bases, and when it comes to constructing long-term uptrends, that's what it's all about, putting in those higher lows. In fact, today, the level that I talked about yesterday was tested multiple times, and each and every time did a great job of holding that level. Is right here, green line there at 0.041. You can see it was tested here and actually tested in the final 30 minutes right there. And each and every time the bulls did a fantastic job of holding strong. And if the price continues to hold above there, that's definitely going to make the chart look quite powerful and very attractive. If the price does drop below it, by no means am I saying that everything's totally ruined and that this thing's headed down to a penny. Not saying that at all. But as far as what would make the chart look the most attractive from the quote-unquote storybook perspective, if it can continue to stay up above 0.042, that would do exactly that. As far as the other level of support to keep an eye on, it's all about that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. So keep an eye on that. And the very simplistic way, as I've said in past videos, to kind of monitor the health of the chart is as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls are in full health, no questions asked. As far as levels of resistance, nothing new here to report. Still got the key level of resistance up there at a nickel. So that remains public enemy number 1 going forward. So all in all, sure, today was quote-unquote boring. I don't say boring in a bad way. It was just, not every day the price can skyrocket upwards. But it was still a healthy day because, like I said, the price has and is working on constructing higher bases, and that's the name of the game. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.